Hi everyone! Today, we're going to show you how to draw a scuba tank, step by step. Step 1. Draw the pillar valve and knob. Start with 2 small intersecting circles for the pillar valve base. Add an S-shaped line reaching down and back up for the control knob. Draw straight lines detailing the valve sides. Step 2. Draw the A-clamp. Under the valve, sketch a small rectangle for the A-clamp buckle. Include straight lines inside for the tension screw. Before we continue, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest video tutorials. Also, check out the description section to learn about our products and services. Now, let's move on to Step 3. Draw the cylinder. Using gentle vertical lines, form an elongated rounded rectangle for the main air storage tank. Taper it slightly at the base and add small circles for structural details. Step 4. Draw the tube and mouthpiece. Extend a long curved line up past the valve for the breathing tube and regulator. Finish with a straight line for the mouthpiece section the diver bites down on. Taking your drawing to the next level, adding colors. Use realistic grays and ocean blues or vivid neon tones to make your tank pop. Customize with steampunk elements, camouflaging sea life, elbow joint hoses, and more. And there you have it, a complete scuba tank drawing in just 4 steps. Be sure to check the video description for more drawing tutorials. Let us know in comments what you want to see drawn next. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next drawing tutorial.